Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: Mac OS 10, 11 or newer, Chrome installed, and a Google account ready. Next, open Chrome and add the Chrome Remote Desktop extension. Once added, you'll download the host installer for Mac. Run the host installer and grant accessibility and screen recording permissions when Mac OS asks. These allow remote control. Once done, return to Chrome, click Enable Remote Connections, and create a 6-digit PIN you'll use to. Once the host is enabled, name your Mac so you can identify it on other devices. Make the 6-digit PIN memorable but secure. Next, adjust energy saver settings to allow network wake or prevent sleep if you need unattended access. On the client side, install Chrome Remote Desktop or use Chrome on another computer, sign in with the same Google account, and you'll see the named Mac listed. Click it, enter the PIN, and the remote session begins. Screen, keyboard, and mouse fully available. To finalize, confirm automatic launch. Add Chrome Remote Desktop to login items so the host starts after reboot. Make sure Mac OS security permissions remain granted. Updates can reset them, so re-enable screen recording and accessibility if control fails. If you can't connect, first quit and reopen Chrome or sign out and back in. This often refreshes listings. As a key troubleshooting tip, open System Preferences Privacy and re-grant permissions. Most connection failures are permission or sleep-related, and fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.